Hi, my name is Umang Jain. This is our bakery. This is our premises. We are in Bake Factory in Delhi Cant in Sadar Bazaar. And we've been in business since the last 6 years. And since the very beginning, we've been dealing with aroma bake equipment. We've taken all sorts of ovens, mixers, and proofing chambers from aroma bake. And the support has been exemplary in the last 6 years. No matter what time you call them, they'll be available between day and night, and they're always there to help. I wish Aroma Bake the very best for the future, and I hope that the business brings stars for them. I am hoping that Aroma Bake will keep coming up with new technology and new equipments to help bakers like us, small businesses and big bakeries in the future. The consumption capacity of this oven, the gas consumption, is about 150 grams per hour. So compared to all the other ovens, it's very convenient. So this is an example of the product that's been baked in Aroma Bake's oven. These are paneer patties, these are vegetable patties, and as you can see, the products are very light and fluffy.